Hi everyone. Now we can see support desk web application. In this, we are using MERN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. It's basically working on customers can create tickets and check the status, check the queries. Like this, it will work. Now we can see our coding part. I am using VS Code. If you want, you can choose another IDE. In this, we have two modules. One is backend and another one is frontend. In backend, we used Express.js and Node.js for database using MongoDB. So .env, we created the MongoDB URL, port number, and JW secret key, and node env. And after we created the packages, we installed these libraries. In config, we have database connection. We created the MongoDB connection using env. We linked in the env to our database. In this, we have models. In models, for one is users. In this, name, email, and password, and admin. Like this, we can create our models. And another one is ticket models. In this, username and product and the description status, we can check our status. Like this, we can create the models and the nodes. Nodes model, user can add the nodes. So in this, we have users, ticket ID, and the text. We are created the models. In middlewares, we created the JSON web token. So in this user, if login, authenticated the our token, and also we have error handling. In this, if any error means it will show errors also. And also we have controllers. This for user controllers. In this, user can register and login. In this time, it will validate the our JWT token. And we have ticket controllers. In this, we can control our user tickets, and also status also we can change. We can delete our token, and we can edit, update also. And node controller. In this also same like that, we can edit, we can delete, and we can add. And we have another part is routers. In this, we created the routers for users. In this, we can control our users. This for ticket route. In this, we can create our tickets, and we can control our ticket routes inside used to object ID. And also same like that, we have nodes routes. In this also you can control user nodes. And in server.js, we linked in models, config, controllers, and routers. So we inputted the libraries, we connected the database, and we linked our routers, and our MongoDB port is running on our localhost 5000. And also another module is there, it's front end. In this, we are using React.js. Inside SRC, we have some components. We have store.js. In this, we can control our config stores. Inside components, we have buttons, headings, node items, and pinners. And we linked our proxy backend URL, and we imported the libraries. We connected our in hooks. And also we have pages, this home page. In this we can see our home page, and also we can log in. In this we can create new tickets using this form, and also user can register using our backend API, and also we can check our tickets. Now we can run our both servers. Open terminal. One is for backend, another one is for front end. This backend, cd backend npm start. This backend running command. Our server is running on localhost 5000 and MongoDB was connected. Now we can run our front end server. cd front end npm start. In this, our localhost running on 3000. This is the home page of our support desk. In this, we can register username, demo user, name is email, demo mail 123 at gmail.com, and also we can create password. So our register was successfully. Now we can check in our database. This support is our database name. In this we have three tables. One is users and another one is tickets and another one is nodes. We can store the user data and we can store the ticket data and we can store the nodes data also. So I created the demo user. It was successfully saved in our database. Now we can check our tickets. Nothing is there. We can create our ticket, customer name and customer email and products. I'm choosing iPhone. In this, what is the issue means we can give issues. Not working display. Like this, we can create our issue. If we create, our ticket was successfully created. Now we can check our in database. So ticket was created. Display is not working. The status also is new. It's pending like that. In this, we can check our ticket ID, submitted date, and the product name also. In this, we can add any notes. Testing like that, I'm added. We submitted. It also stored in our database and our web application. Now we can check our notes. We can check our status. And this, if problem was solved means we can close our ticket. You can see ticket was closed. Status also closed. Like this, it will work. . Thank you.